So the Greddy exhaust on this car is special, right?
Yeah, so this Greddy exhaust came from the first crowdsourced 370Z that came in the US in 2009 and this exhaust was paid for by Nissan, built at Greddy by Greddy. And that's why this exhaust was given me as a gift. I'm gonna keep it forever. I'm gonna modify it in all my cars.
Right?
Now it's on my Q50 and it's gonna be fantastic. I'm so excited.
Nice, man. I didn't know the Shop vibes, RSX, the DA, everything getting all drive. This came in today. This is gonna be back soon for a power steering. This is also Flacco's. So nice. Nice. Got this carbon fiber lip, not lip, but wing, lip wing, whatever. Very nice car. The X6 is here today. So nice. Ready to do some fixtures.
Hi, T. The light blue on that one, so
yeah.
I went ahead and got the LED light.
LED.
So I'm going to see.
Man, you really should drive this car more often.
Yeah, but I run around with, I do errands a lot, and it's easier to drive the hoopty.
Okay, cool.
Yay, it worked.
Nice.
Yep.
Nice car. Sweet. These cars are so dope. Look at these wheels. They're like 305 or 315, so you can't really see it, but.
This is our buddy John's car, and we're actually modifying it to fit a 370Z exhaust on this 4-door Q. This is a 6-cylinder twin turbo.
Nice.
It's gonna be pretty cool.
So you got some pieces off already, right? That's why it's so loud.
I got the exhaust off already, but I'm actually gonna make a custom downpipe for it.
For it?
Yeah, I'm gonna make it from scratch.
Nice. That's it, folks. We do everything in here. Bring what you got, all right?
I don't know if it's been done.
Oh, so we're just gonna do it?
Well, I know that it needs to be extended a little bit.
Man, the kid has to research that it's been done already. Can't just roll up in here with an exhaust and say do it. You have to know. You have to know something.
That's what we.
You wouldn't get this job.
That's what we do. We're just like, all right, we're just gonna do it.
All right, cool. Bring it, right?
Yeah, bring it.
Bring what you got. We fixed it. Who's rolling up in here? What's Silence of the Lambs doing? Thanks for bringing the project back. You've been on tour?
Yes, I made these flanges from scratch because I'm gonna weld. I'm from here to here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna build this from scratch.
Like with a downpipe?
Yeah.
All right. But who's gonna weld it? Jet.
Jet. Jedi.
Jedi Jet.
Don't get it right.
Not just a regular jet. A Jedi Jet.
It's not gonna be very loud. It's still gonna be pretty quiet.
Yeah, big difference though.
Big difference in diameter, definitely.
Big difference. Stock. This is what's gonna go on it. Really nice. KK is getting ready to start freshening up this motor. What you gonna be doing, KK?
So we got the water pump, timing belt, tensioner, valve cover gasket, just a simple routine maintenance on it before we drop it in. That way I know, at least I know 100% it's been redone.
Right, a little freshen up.
Yeah, a little freshen up. That's it. Double check all the seals when we start taking it apart.
Yeah, you see it. You already got the bottom part done, sealed up.
Yeah, the bottom part's done. The whole pan gasket is done.
Yeah.
The rear stump.
Everything's sealed up, good to go. Doing a headliner now?
Yeah.
Never stops, huh?
Yeah.
What are you fixing?
This idiot thing fell out.
That thing there? Idiot thing that?
Yeah, the idiot thing fell out.
Man do an idiot job on the glue, my youth.
Yeah, it's an idiot
Channel. It's going inside of this X6. Do all on Grizzly.
Well, making sure it's nice and fresh.
Everything fresh.
So, just making sure it's
Everything crisp.
everything crisp.
Brought the JDM.
JDM Land Cruiser.
We're gonna go check it out here in a minute. Carbon fiber.
What does that stand for? Jamaican?
Jamaica domestic market, my year. You see it, and I gotta cut that part. The real JDM. Whoa. Chad,
Yeah.
did good, bro. Looks nice, looks nice. Coming together.
Yeah.
This part, the midsection of that kit is like perfect for it,
Yeah,
right?
the midsection's good. It's pretty close here, but we're gonna make a hanger off of this to make sure it doesn't touch here and here. And then basically this is all good up to right here. And this just looks like this for now, but basically it's just here to make a measurement. And all we have to do is basically just extend the pipe here.
Okay.
And that's actually going to bring it right into the
Out,
spot
right.
over there.
Because
yeah.
right here it's kind of too
Yeah,
close
because it's
to,
touching,
right?
so we're gonna
Yeah.
cut this, extend it, probably have to put it on a little bit of an angle, and then it should be perfect
Yeah,
like that.
looks nice. So I'm gonna go check it out here in a minute. Stone, you have to get one. He's gonna say
Who
no.
doesn't like trucks?
What?
No, it would have
Ridgeline all day.
That's it.
Chief, all-wheel drive.
That's sick, like a crossover between it. It
You're a
doesn't know.
crossover.
It doesn't know if it's a pickup truck or if it's
Yeah,
a...
talking about crossover.
Crossover.
It's a
It doesn't know if
Yep.
it's
Exactly, yeah.
That thing don't know if it's a confused when they made that. They weren't sure what they were doing.
It's actually made. The
I don't know why they stopped
chassis-
it.
The chassis is actually.
What do you mean they didn't stop? You could buy a brand new one right now.
No, I mean this the big style. Like I thought they were gonna continue.
The Ridgeline, you could buy a Ridgeline right
I know, but they make it. It's more like a Chevy now, like a car, like a
now. I thought
Camaro.
the bed was the same.
No,
size.
El Camino, right?
Like a wagon with a
I raise up El Camino.
That actually.
Dude, a lifted El Camino would be cool.
No, that Ridgeline is actually the chassis. Everything is the same thing as an Odyssey.
Oh, they
You
extended.
take everything off on the bed.
Nice.
I thought about doing something, but I was like,
always thinking about doing
do it, do it.
Problems that nothing's getting finished.
Let's go.
Alright, man, ready?
Take this bottle of water with me.
I know, right?
Might pass out here. Yeah, man, there it is.
Check it out, you guys. It's right hand side.
1994 Toyota Land Cruiser VX.
Yes, wow. And where you get this one from?
I got it from Japanese Classics,
Japanese
from
Classics.
Virginia.
Yeah.
Kind of known for importing some really clean JDM cars. So
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
been wanting one of these things for years, and they had one that I like. So
Every car guy's dream. And these are two-piece wheels.
yeah, they're two-piece SSR Ausfuchs. Vux. It's German. I don't know how to
German.
pronounce it right.
Nice. Look like it came with some springs too, I guess. I don't know. They came
Yeah, it's
silver.
got a 2.5-inch lift on it, and then 33-inch tires.
And it's just a little bit over 100,000, right?
Yeah, so it's running at like 182,000 kilometers, which is like 113,000 miles. So for a 1994, all original.
Solid.
You know,
You can't beat it. You can't beat it. Especially for the price, definitely.
Yeah.
Looks like a limited version too. What?
Yeah, so the VX Limited is like the top trim level for the gas motors.
Yeah.
And like the GXLs is the other model for the diesel motors. But the VX came with the gas motor, which is the same one in the States, so I can literally drive to AutoZone and get parts for this thing,
That's good.
which is
That's
a
definitely.
blessing.
Can we check out the back right here? Of course, it got.
One of
Oh,
my favorite features, man, is the lift gate.
oh, yeah, that's two. I thought it was just one piece. Nice. 2 seats in the back as usual. Already changing out some parts.
Seating.
AC in the back too. Though
in the
that's
back.
a plus. Some of the cars nowadays don't even have that.
Yeah, so check this out. I'll pull the seat out so you can see it. The rear AC, Toyota didn't want to block the view for the rear passenger, so they made the rear AC vent clear. So you can look through the window still.
What?
Crazy, right?
I know. It's innovative, man.
1994 engineering, right?
1994. Jeez,
Yeah.
the 90s cars are just like.
It's a golden era, man.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Sliding rear glass, so if you're sleeping in the back on a camping trip, you can open up the windows.
Yeah, look at these like enormous,
Crazy rain visors.
nice. Sweet. And, let's check out the inside. You want to pop the hood real quick?
Yeah, that's good.
It's gonna be hot. It's a hot day. Straight 6, of course.
All original.
I don't see a leak or anything. Well maintained.
Even the wiring harness isn't dry or cracked up, which 90s Toyotas are known for.
Yeah.
It's all clean. Not a speck of rust anywhere on the chassis or the frame.
Perfect. And you said in Japan these this one came green, but you have to do it black.
Yeah, so originally it was the green. You can kind of see it a little bit, but apparently it's kind of a thing in Japan to have a black Land Cruiser. It's like the VIP executive style. So a lot of the Land Cruisers that come imported are painted black. Well, whoever painted this put a little bit of green flake into it, and it blends really well, so you can't even really notice that it was originally green. Oh, they're really popular to be turbo.
Turbo, right? I bet you they couldn't handle the power. You know what I mean? For really.
1.5 liter straight 6 with a turbo. It's like a 2J on steroids.
I know. Check this out, guys. Very clean. Very clean.
And one of the favorite features is the original refrigerator. It came with a cool box on the center console where you can literally put drinks in there.
Oh yeah?
Turn the refrigerator on and
Open it up. Open it up. Let's see.
It'll make ice as well.
You'll make ice?
It makes ice.
This thing right here?
Yeah, so check it out. You get the ice button, the cool button, and this pops up. And put your drinks in there.
Look at that.
Check this out. You lift this little thing up here. It's already cold to the touch. I didn't even turn it on. And you pull out your little
ice cubes.
Japanese ice trays.
Wow.
You can make ice in here, man.
Gee.
Gotta keep it classy.
All right, guys. You guys see it now. So go kill the market. Get you one.
Absolutely.
Under 20 grand. Definitely never gonna break.
No.
For sure.
These things run forever. New daily driving.
Right? Nice. So, look at the ice tray. Look at it. Have ice cubes and everything in there, son.
Yeah, you can make ice in there, man.
Yeah, pull it up, and on the left side, flush. You pull it out. The ice cubes are in there. A little small one, like 6 cubes.
There's 2 ice trays.
2 ice trays?
Yeah, one for you and one for your friend.
That's what I like, I think.
2-piece, right?
Wow. 2-piece SSRs.
Nice, man. Definitely. Thanks for bringing it by. Anywhere needed, of course, you know, we'll take care of you. Right, Sang? Of course.
I gotta go buy another car. See that?
Already have the best one, always.
You guys don't put this on, but I have to go get another car.
Oh yeah? I'm selling a Tacoma.
One of these.
Almost there.
Almost there. Just a little more to go.
Hey, Chad, make sure that fits. Yeah, right there. He's gonna weld it. We're gonna tack it. Make sure the rear's good. He's gonna weld it.
Oh, Jet, look at them wells. Look at them wells. Look at them wells. Nice, boy. Wow, this thing came out really nice. Ooh, the niceness. Jeez. Can't get any better than that. Hey, come check it out, man. Come check out the S1 build. Like it?
Man, look at that.
Don't touch it.
Why not?
All done. S1 build.
Oh, heck yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
See that? Oh, nice.
Oh, you're about to see something to do. By the way, I raced a Bentley Coupe on the highway and I beat him on my stock car. He was on 24s though. I don't know if that matters.
Did you know you were racing?
Yeah.
Came out nice. Start up. And back up. Nice. Sounds good. Rev. That's it. Or EM1, EK Coupe. Got the plexiglass cutouts for this thing. I'm going to show you guys the installation procedure on this. It's coming together swiftly. Come a long way. As usual, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hit like, subscribe, share it.